off your weapon, please. I don't feel safe around you with your hand on your weapon.
Why you're here.
It's quite obvious, isn't it?
What's the badge you have on? Are you affiliated with the base or law enforcement?
I'm not going to answer any questions. You do understand I'm not on your property, right?
I do understand.
Okay.
That's why I'm just...
No issue staying beyond this line. Okay, on this side.
Yeah.
And that's it.
You're within your rights.
Of course I am.
Okay.
I don't think, I really don't think you give a f, dude.
Why? Why would you say that?
Because it's not your...
To please tell us what you're doing here.
I'm taking pictures.
If you're taking pictures, that's fine, okay?
You're more of a threat than I am.
I'm holding it to my person.
I understand.
Okay? It also keeps you from being able to grab it, right? I'm just trying to find out your intentions. If you say you're not a threat, you're just...
I wouldn't tell you if I was.
Under control. Individual states that he was on federal property. He's left federal property. And your rights, you're off.
I appreciate that. I really do.
I video things beyond that sign. You're videoing things.
No, that's not true. That's not true. I am in a public space, in a public area, on a public easement.